Is your computer acting up in Captiva, Florida? Whether it's slow performance, virus issues, or hardware failure, Fix My Computer Captiva has you covered with fast and affordable solutions. Welcome to Fix My Computer Captiva. We specialize in quick, reliable computer repair services right at your doorstep. From MacBooks to PCs, we handle it all, including emergency repairs. We come to your home or office in Captiva, saving you time and hassle. Common issues we fix include slow computers, virus removal, data recovery, hardware upgrades, and internet problems. Wondering about the cost? Our rates are affordable and transparent with no hidden fees. Get a free diagnosis when you call us today at 239-382-7247. We'll identify the issue and offer the best solution. Why choose us? We offer same-day service with certified technicians, have served Captiva for years, and boast 5-star customer reviews. We're your go-to solution for all computer problems. Don't let computer issues slow you down. Call 239-382-7247 today for fast, friendly, and affordable repair services. Visit fixmycomputercaptivafl.com for more information. We're here to get your device running like new.